Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can unfollow someone on your Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app. Here you can see friends. Now tap on your friends. Select one of the friend. Let me select that one. Now here you can see friends option. I can just simply unfollow that person, and now I have unfollowed that person. Now also this person is still in my friend list. If I want to unfriend, just simply tap on unfriend, confirm, and this is no more my friend now. So this is how you can easily unfollow and unfriend someone on your Facebook. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.